The Coach Face Shoulder Bag with Ruching is a stylish and versatile accessory that combines classic elegance with modern flair. Crafted from high-quality leather, Face Bag features a distinctive ruch design that adds a touch of texture and dimension. Description: Coach Face Bag. Material: made from premium leather for durability and a luxurious feel. Design: features a ruched exterior for added visual interest and a unique silhouette. Closure: securely closes with a magnetic snap closure. Interior: offers a spacious compartment to hold your essentials. Handles: comes with a single shoulder strap for comfortable carrying. Review: the Coach Face Shoulder Bag with Ruching has received positive reviews from customers who appreciate its stylish design, quality, craftsmanship, and versatility. Many women have praised the bag's ability to elevate any outfit, whether it's a casual outing or a special occasion. The ruch detail adds a touch of personality, while the timeless design ensures that it will remain a wardrobe staple for years to come. Color: the Coach Face Shoulder Bag with Ruching is available in a variety of colors to suit different preferences and styles. Some popular options include black, beige, and brown. Price: the price of the Coach Face Shoulder Bag with Ruching may vary depending on the retailer and any ongoing promotions. However, you can generally expect to find it priced in the mid-range to high-end category for designer handbags.